Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.2. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 4.2. Here we discuss about the circles and concentric circle. A collection of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called circle. The collection of all points in a plane which are at a fixed point, which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. The fixed point is called center of the circle. This is the center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called radius. A circle drawn in a plane with a common center and different radii are called concentric circles. Circle drawn in a plane with a common center and different radii are called concentric circles. The area between the two concentric circles is known as circular ring. Circle drawn in a plane with a common center and different radii, R1 and R2. Different radii are called concentric circle. The area between the two concentric circles is known as circular ring. The distance between the two circular ring is called width. Circular ring. Width of the circular ring is called width, that is R1, R2 minus R1. That is the width of the circular ring. This is circular ring. The area between the two concentric circles is known as circular ring. Now let me see the exercise sums. First sum: draw circles for the following measurements of radius R and diameters D or diameter. The given radius or diameter, we have to draw the circle with this measurement. First subdivision, R equal to 4 cm, that means radius equal to 4 cm. Now construction: mark a point O on the paper. Mark a point O on the paper. First step. Next one, extend the compass distance equal to the radius 4 cm. Take your ruler and compass. Measure 4 cm in your compass. And third step, at center O, hold the compass and firmly and place the point end of the compass. Next, slowly rotate the compass around to get a circle. So that is the required circle. Now O, here A, how much distance it is? 4 cm. So that is the answer. First sum, second subdivision, they given diameter here, diameter equal to 12 cm. So radius equal to diameter divided by 2. What is diameter? 12 cm. So 12 by 2, you get 6 cm. Radius 6 cm. Now we have to draw the circle with the radius 6 cm. Take your ruler and compass, measure 6 cm. Now first step, mark a point O on a paper and then measure 6 centimeter in your compass and draw the circle. So that is the required circle, and radius 6 centimeter OA here. That is the answer. Second sum, draw a concentric circle for the following measurements of radii or diameter. Find out the width of each circular ring. Here they given the two radius and we have to draw the concentric circle for that. First construction, first step, draw a rough diagram and mark the given measurements. So this is rough diagram. 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter OA, OB. Now take any point O and mark it as the center. So take any point O, it is the center, and with O as center, draw a circle of radius OA equal to 3 centimeter. So take 3 centimeter as radius with your compass and O as center, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. And then fourth step, with O as center and draw a circle of radius OB equal to 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter as the radius, measure 5 centimeter, and then same O as the center. Now draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Now we get the concentric circle OA equal to 3 centimeter, that is circular ring 1, and OB, that is 5 centimeter, that is circle 2. Now we get the circular ring. Width we have to find out. Width of the circular ring W equal to R2 minus R1, that is R2 is 5 centimeter minus R1 3 centimeter. So 2 centimeter is the width of the circular ring. So that is the answer. Now second sum, second subdivision, R equal to 3.5 centimeter and R equal to 6.5 centimeter. They given two radii. First, as usual, draw the rough diagram. Here R1 O A is 3.5 centimeter and OB is 6.5 centimeter. Take any point O. With O as center, what is the first measurement? 3.5. With O as center, draw a circle. And then next step, with O as center and draw a circle of radius OB equal to 6.5 centimeter. So now measure 6.5 centimeter. With O as center, draw circle, radius 6.5. Now that is the radius OA equal to 3.5 centimeter. And next one, OB, that is 6.5 centimeter. Now calculate the width of the circular ring. Width of circular ring W equal to R2 minus R1, that is equal to 6.5 minus 3.5, we get 3 centimeter. That is the width of the circular ring. Here it is C1, circle 1 and circle 2. So that is the answer. Now second one, third subdivision, D equal to 6.4 centimeter and D equal to 11.6 centimeter. They given two diameters. So from that we have to calculate the radius. D equal to 6.4 centimeter. So radius equal to 6.4 by 2. Now cancel this one. 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So we get 3.2 centimeter, first one. And then D equal to 11.6. So radius equal to 11.6 by 2. Now cancel this numbers. 2 1 is 2. 2 5s are 10. Balance 1, it becomes 16. So 8. So 5.8 centimeter. That is radius 2. Now first step, draw the rough diagram. Now OA equal to how much? 3.2 centimeter and OB equal to 5.8 centimeter. Now draw the circular concentric circle. First mark a point O and then take measurements, that is 3.2 with your compass. Now draw the circle. Next one, what is the measurements? Radius equal to 5.8. So take your ruler and measures 5.8. Now draw the another circle. Now OA equal to 3.2 centimeter and OB equal to 5.8 centimeter. Now calculate the width. Width of circular ring equal to R2 minus R1, that is 5.8 minus 3.2, we get 2.6 centimeter, that is width. That is the answer. Now it is circle 1 and circle 2. Now second sum, fifth subdivision, and in a textbook fourth sum and sixth sum like this only. So we have to follow the same procedure and draw the concentric circles. Now fifth sum, diameter equal to 6.2 centimeter. They given the diameter and you have to find out the radius. So 6.2 by 2 means we get 3.1 centimeter. Now first step, draw the rough diagram. What is the measurement? OA equal to 3.1 centimeter and OB equal to 6.2 centimeter. And next step, take any point O and mark it as the center. Take your compass with O as center. Measure the radius 3.1 and with O as center draw the circle of radius 3.1 and with the same center and measure the radius 6.2 and draw the circle. Now OA equal to 3.1 centimeter and OB equal to 6.2 centimeter. Circle 1 and circle 2. Now width of this circular ring. Width W equal to R2 minus R1. R2 is 6.2 minus 3.1. We get 3.1 centimeter. That is the width. So that is the answer. With the sum, exercise 4.2 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.